Fins up, Margaritaville peeps. Today, we've got a resale of a breeze. Not a breeze bay, just a breeze. I'm excited to show it to you. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go. This beautiful breeze has a 2-car garage. And the colors are beautifully coastal. Let's go check it out. So come on into this breeze. Nice vaulted entryway. You do have the transom up above the door. And for this one, you've got that extra space off the front, and they've added the doors. These doors are glass, as you can see, and it's being used as an extra space. Do have the recessed lights, and they've added a cabinet in that space. When you go right across, you've got this key drop. They added a piece on their own, which is beautiful. Right into the laundry room. This one shows the cabinets as an upgrade. And here is bedroom number 2. Plenty of space, as is usual. And in the Breeze and Breeze Bay collections, you do have an ensuite in here with a pocket door. So you do not lose any swing space. You have a linen closet here. And then for this particular, they did the tile on a diamond shape. You've got white cabinetry. I like the beveled edge on that quartz countertop. Upgraded fixtures. They did choose to do the tile to the top as an option. Awesome, let's keep going. So across here is a half bath. You've got a pedestal and a water closet. And here's where the differences in the Breeze and the Breeze Bay will be seen. So let's talk dining space first. They added this wall feature, which is beautiful. Love that. Beautiful lighting. And now here's the main difference right here. In the Breeze Bay, you've got the triangular island, but in this Breeze, you've got this beautiful island. You can pick your quartz, or you pick your countertops. She chose quartz. Okay, look how beautiful. Undermount lighting was chosen, backsplash, the hooded vent. There's a glass. You've got the ovens there stacked. Beautiful. And this is what the space looks like. Now, you also have this extra space, which she's turned into a reading nook. I think it's a fabulous use of space if you don't need 2 dining tables, because you've got that one and that one. Notice the living room has plenty of space. You've got a couch, a love seat, and a chair with plenty of room in there. And they added the beams as an option. You've got the triple sliders that pull all the way back. We'll go back there in just a moment. I'd also like to point out, as you're looking across the living room and that extra nook, that crown is an option, and this owner did choose that option. Main bedroom, you do have the tray ceilings, recessed lights, beautiful view out back, which we will go see in just a moment. And this bathroom also has the pocket door, and as you know, in the Breeze, You've got this mirror here for you. Dual closets. And in the bathroom, the sinks are separated, so you completely have your own space. That's the water closet and a linen closet. And we'll look at the details chosen here in the shower. Kind of stone floor, and the tile goes all the way up with the transom window. These countertops match the others, so you have white cabinets, the pewter pulls, and quartz that's been beveled. All right, let's go check out back. So this owner made the choices to add pavers because that is an option. Notice the water. They did add a TV here as well, a fan and recessed lights. This floor plan, you've got this nook back here versus the breeze bay. And they've also added the exterior curtains for some privacy. This one's on a pond, and you have a whole house generator here. Beautifully designed. I had to show you that this house is located on a cul-de-sac, and this is the trail that will lead to Town Square. And you also have a trail taking you further back. How great is this? It's just 2 houses down from getting out there. So for more information on this breeze, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you, and you can see all the finer details about this resale. And don't forget, you can give me a call here or text, let me know, we can have a conversation. Even if you're not ready to buy, I can help you sell or help you build your own. All right, for now, this is Heather helping you find your best beach life. Bye.